My name is Sergio Albani. I am from the European Union Satellite Center, and I'm going to present to you our activities within the Space and Security Convener. So let me just start with a very brief introduction of the EU Satellite Center. We are an agency of the Council of the European Union, located in the vicinity of Madrid in Spain. What we have to do is to support the decision-making of the European Union in the field of the common foreign and security policy, that is a sort of foreign policy of the European Union, by basically providing geospatial intelligence services. So apart from these, we are supporting a number of European policies and programs. Just to give an example, SATSEN is the entrusted entity by the European Commission for the provision of the Copernicus service for security and support to external action of the EU. And we have in place a number of R&I and cooperative activities with ESA, for instance, EDA, and with GEO, the Group on Earth Observation. So let's move to the relevant part of this presentation. What is space security? So this started as a community activity in 2015, and our initial idea was to foster, let's say, the usage of Earth observation in civil security. Then, after passing the years, in 2023, within the 2020-2025 work program, we moved to be a pilot initiative, and we implemented a couple of pilots that I will present to you later to basically demonstrate the value of Earth observation for risk and resilience through pilots. And now we are now moving within this. We are now moving with this convener for the post 2025 strategy, in which we want to act as a vital link, let's say, connecting different geofocus areas. So the scope, again, building of activities that you are implementing within GEO since 2015, we want to address the increasing need of the safety and security of citizens by fostering integration of the different geofocus areas, and in particular, the ones on food, water, and climate security, supporting the co-design of Earth intelligence solutions. Who is currently part of this convener, the same partners that were part of the pilot initiative: SATSEN, the European Space Agency, World Food Program, Eurogeo Surveys, the Delft Institute for Water Education, the Instituto Geográfico Militar of Ecuador. And apart from these partners, we have a continuous dialogue with the Commission, Eurogeo, Amerigeo, and other partners like NASA, EARSC, UNDRR, and the World Research Institute. The objectives of this convener. The idea is we have 4 objectives declared. The first one is to disseminate and communicate these kind of activities, so space and security related activities, to engage stakeholders and possibly enlarging the GEO community. As I was mentioning before, the idea is to link different focus area within GEO to security-related needs and services, also supporting cross-domain research and innovation actions for security solutions. In the next slides, I'll go through these 4 objectives, explaining what we are actually doing and what we have done in the past for this. So the first one, dissemination activities. We are participating regularly in Eurogeo and GEO events, presenting the results of the pilots that we implemented and the lessons that we learned. We are promoting through the geocommunication channels and reports all our activities, also publishing results, resources via story map. Here in the slide, you can see a QR code. You can scan it and you have access to all these activities, apart, of course, on the GEO website. Engage stakeholders. So here the idea is within GEO, there are a number of different activities related to food, related to water, related to climate. All of them have a potential link with the security. So the idea is to bridge these activities, these initiatives related to security within Geo, in particular on these areas, connecting different focus areas with the idea to share methodologies, share experiences, share outcomes, and to promote coordination among the different communities to enhance a proper integration of results and outcomes. The third point, the third objective is related to linking this focus area to services. So we would like also to go for something, let's say, practical. So explore Earth observation-based pre-operational security services, working in applying Earth observation-based risk assessment and early warning capabilities in real scenarios. The idea is to respond to real, to actual security needs, and to build on previous results that we already have within this community with 2 pilots that we implemented on water security and on infrastructure resilience. So I'd like to show briefly to you these 2 pilots. The first one was implemented when this was still a community activity within the 2020-2022 Geo Work Plan. It was a pilot coordinated by SATSEN, where a number of partners contributed. Eurogeo surveys putting algorithms, ESA putting the processing capabilities, WFP putting us in contact with the local office in Pakistan. So we had these partners cooperating for analyze the effect of uncontrolled groundwater extraction in the cities of Islamabad and Rawalpindi in Pakistan, to see how this was affecting land, so the land subsidence on these areas. We did it using the DNSR technique with the Sentinel-1 data. You can see in the box the results of these analyses. The red are the areas more affected by subsidence up to 4 centimeters, and basically, we were able to perform this study that you can access on the Geo website and confirm the region of the subsidence, and to deliver a report to the Pakistani authorities so that they can make decision that it's basically the role of SATSEN. So we are providing reports to EU member states so that they can make informed decision on issues like this related to the safety and the security of population. The second pilot implemented within the 2023-2025 part of the work program was related to the monitoring of critical infrastructure in Ecuador. So this pilot was implemented together with the Instituto Geográfico Militar of Ecuador. They provided us with the areas and data and support from the field, and we did this analysis always related to the land subsidence, but this way going to evaluate the impact on critical infrastructures. In particular, buildings, health facilities, education facilities, and the line of the metro on the city of Solanda near Quito. And again, these are the results that you can see here with the subsidence and the possible impact of these critical infrastructures. Support to R&I action. This is the 4th objective. So the idea here is to promote cross-domain Earth observation-based R&I on security solutions. So SATSEN is participating, or was participating, in a number of projects related to Geo. I can just mention Next Geos in the past and others. But also we are participating regularly in projects within the Horizon Europe framework, for instance, or EDF. This one, Atlantis, is related to protection of critical infrastructures, and we try to reuse results here to perform the study that we did within Geo. So basically, with this cross fertilization between different initiatives and projects, all these results are integrated within the geospatial data management platform, that is the SATSEN platform for maintaining R&I results. And this is a platform open to the Geo members of the space security community. So you can use this platform, have access to data, and play with algorithms and so on. All of these being a building block for the so-called CESDA, that's the Climate and Environmental Security Data and Analysis Hub, that will be the EU, the European Union official hub for climate security, supposed to be implemented by SATSEN and hosted by SATSEN in the coming years. So my last slide, how we want to move forward. We want to raise awareness of Earth observation value for security and resilience. That's basically what we are doing here right now. Foster cross-domain cooperation and synergies within GEO. So if you are interested in joining the community, just drop a line to me or to the GEO Secretariat. Of course, you can also propose some activities that you have in place within GEO in other areas or actually also outside GEO, and see how we can all of us benefit from them. The idea is the general idea to promote practical Earth observation applications in support to policy and citizen safety. And last but not least, is we have this idea in mind that today, we are presenting this initiative within the disaster, let's say, slot. But security is a bit different domain, so they are quite related. But the idea is also with these activities one day to have a dedicated geo security focus area in which we can somehow directly address the issue of civil security, of course, so the safety and security of citizens from hazards, climate, food, and so on. And I guess this is my last slide. Thank you very much for your attention.